Today we're going to talk about how you can start to regrow your lettuce. First up, you're going to be cutting off about 1 inch from the end of your lettuce. This is going to leave you that little end of your lettuce, which you always have anyway, and you'd most likely discard. But now what we're going to do is we're going to actually start to regrow it. Now there are 2 ways that you can regrow this lettuce. The first way is you can create a shallow dish, fill it with water like I've done here, and just place the ends into the water. Really, really easy. Now with this, you're gonna wanna make sure that you change the water around every 1 to 2 days to make sure that there's clean water. Within 24 hours, you're gonna start to notice that it's a lot more greener, and it might also be starting to grow some lettuce on top like this one. The second way to start to regrow your lettuce is you're going to want to grab a pot, fill it up with soil, and you'll actually dig a shallow hole, put the lettuce bottom into that hole, level it up with soil, and you'll watch and see that your lettuce is starting to grow. I love this pot because we have a whole lettuce tree and it kind of just overflowing with lettuce all the time, and it's really easy to maintain. You want to make sure that you are watering this regularly and you have it in a sunny spot. But it's so easy to regrow lettuce. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you around next time. Bye.